Welcome to this morning meditation by Butterfly's Whisper. I am delighted to guide you through these few minutes that will transform your entire day. This meditation is designed to help you awaken your energy, clarify your intentions, and program your consciousness toward success and harmony. Make yourself comfortable in a position where your spine is straight but relaxed. You can sit on a chair, on your bed, or even stand if you prefer. The important thing is that you feel at ease and centered. Begin by becoming aware of your breathing without trying to modify it for now. Simply observe how air naturally enters and leaves your body. Now, take a deep breath through your nose. Hold the air for a few moments. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension accumulated during your sleep. Repeat a second time. Breathe in deeply. Feel the oxygen nourishing every cell of your body. Then exhale all stagnant energies. A third and final time, inhale the energy of the new day and exhale, letting go of everything that no longer serves you. Now bring your attention to your physical body. Feel the contact of your feet with the ground, anchoring your energy into the earth. Even if you are sitting, imagine energetic roots extending from your feet and plunging deep into the ground, connecting you to the stability and quiet strength of the earth. Now visualize a golden light beginning to shine at your solar plexus, just above your navel. This light represents your vital energy, your creative power. With each breath, this light intensifies, becomes brighter, warmer. Inhale and feel this light extend into your chest. Exhale and let it descend toward the lower part of your body. Inhale and the light rises to your throat, your face. Exhale and it envelops your entire head. Your whole body is now bathed in this revitalizing golden light. Every cell, every organ, and every part of you awakens, activates, aligns with the new energy of this day. Now, take a moment to define a clear intention for your day. What quality do you wish to manifest today? Is it confidence, creativity, patience, determination? Whatever this intention may be, visualize it as a color or sensation that blends with the golden light enveloping you. Feel how this intention colors your energy, giving it a unique signature. Now imagine your day unfolding before you. Visualize yourself moving through each moment with this luminous energy and clear intention. See yourself interacting with others, accomplishing your tasks, facing potential challenges, all while remaining connected to this inner light. Focus on 3 important situations you will encounter today. For each one, visualize yourself approaching them with your full presence, clear intention, and luminous energy. Remember that this energy is always available within you at any moment during your day. You can return to it by simply taking a few conscious breaths and remembering the sensation you are experiencing now. It's time to conclude this meditation while keeping this energy activated within you. Gradually begin to move your fingers, your toes. Stretch gently if you feel the need. Take one last deep breath. Inhale the intention to stay connected to this energy throughout the day. And exhale with gratitude for this new day that is beginning. Slowly open your eyes, preserving the sensation of clarity and alignment you have just created. You are ready for your day. You are centered, energized, and aligned with your highest intention. Thank you for sharing this morning meditation with me. Remember that you can return to this state at any point during the day, simply by reconnecting with your breath and your intention. Have a magnificent day.